Hello guys, welcome again back to my channel. If you're new, I say welcome. If you have been one of my members, I say hello and long time no see, the usual. So today I'm going to be decorating this cake. Yes, and I was so excited to do this. So I've already covered up my cake in buttercream, and I am going to be using these two colors to do some interesting designs. So I have got my rose color and lilac color, so I decided to create this color palette, and I'm hoping that it's all going to work out nicely. So as you can see, you have really like a dark purple and some lilac and some rose kind of pinky kind of color. So I'm just going to use my palette and then or my baking or decorating knife, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to use this to put like little blobs all around it. It's pretty easy to do, so it just creates interesting patterns. I really like the look of this, and I like the combination of colors that I use to be able to create this look. Yeah, it was pretty easy and very simple. All you just need to do is really have a steady hand, by the time you're trying to create the patterns. Yeah. And here you have it. So I am just going to swoop and then clean, keep swooping, keep doing that over and over until I get my desired look. I'm going to add more blobs of buttercream wherever I feel the need to get that desired look. So that was what I was kind of going for. So now here I've got just melted white chocolate. I didn't add anything else to it. I just thought this was sufficient for what I wanted to do. And so I'm just going to do some drip here. Yeah, it's pretty simple and nothing complicated. So here I've got these sweets I bought from the supermarket. I decided to go with something quite easy to do. I think decorating a cake sometimes does not need to be too complicated. You can get simple ingredients decorating items that can just make your life so much easier. Every cake decorator knows how hard it is to be able to make each character, whatever your customer wants, or whatever you have in mind. So sometimes getting simple things that can just make life so much easier, and then plus you don't have to go down on value, or get things that don't really work. They can still there are lots and lots of things that you can find at the supermarket that can really fit into your style, your design. So here what I'm just doing is I've got these marshmallow hearts. I'm just going to cut them up into various sizes, and then I am just going to kind of position everything on my cake. It's kind of quite interesting how one tries to figure out, where to place what on the cake. I mean, for me, I feel like it's working out what is visually appealing, what really makes sense. And if you go through, looking at a lot of things that people have done and all that, you can figure it out. And even just your inner instincts, just trying to find out what really works. Yeah, you'll get it. Yes, so I got some gold glitter here. I just mixed it up with a little bit of liquid that would help me stick it on. So I'm trying to go with, should I say minimal, but not so minimal, but something to give the cake or this look some extra pizzazz, just to make it more, and then here my dearest little helper, guys, please give my dear son an applause for helping me. He was so eager and so interested in wondering, what is my mom doing, what is she making, and like, guys, it's just lovely to do stuff with your kids. So here is the final kind of look. So I have positioned things the way I have, and I think it looks really nice. I think it's pretty. I think it's simple, with those little tinge or gold glitter kind of stuff going on. I like the way that the blackberries and the raspberries kind of turned out. I thought that gold on them would just make them really pop and just look so different. So I really like this design, and I hope you do too. Leave me comments, let me know what you think. You like it? Is there anything I could change, anything I could do better at, because I'm still learning, I'm still growing. So guys, I hope this was a really good video to show you guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed making this. Yes, it was so much fun. It gets me so excited when I have to decorate a cake, because I think of all the patterns, the designs, and everything that has to come to play, like from the beginning to the end, the whole process. I get so involved and engrossed, and it's so exciting. And yes, my dearest couldn't help but add little touches here. So guys, follow me on Instagram at Pinspiration, and thank you so much. Bye.